Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dre, and as you can see by the title of today's video, I will be attempting to clip my ends. Now, I have never ever tried to clip my ends by myself, so this is going to be very interesting. But if this is your first time seeing my face or know my existence, hello, hi, how are you doing? Make sure you guys hit that big red button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss any more of my future videos. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. I tried to show. So as you guys can see, my hair is all blow dried out. I did videos on that. If you guys have not seen the previous videos, make sure you guys go check those out. I will leave those in the description box as well. I don't even know how I want to do this. Well, first and foremost, I'm going to be using some shears. Of course, you don't want to use regular scissors. Okay. So, I'm going to really detangle. And you want to make sure you really get those ends. Ooh, I'm scared. Whew. Just whew. I'm hot, child. I am hot. I'm gonna go and make sure that these ends come back up close. Oh my gosh, I feel like that was a lot. I feel like that was so much. This is what I have so far. Oh my gosh, I feel like that's a lot. That is a lot. But my ends are a lot smoother. Okay, we gonna keep going, child. Because oh, right there. I think I'm cutting off too much. Like, I don't know, like this is how much hair I have so far. It doesn't seem like a lot on camera, but I don't know, I feel like it's a lot. I can't believe I'm doing this. I said I would never do this. Put it back there. I definitely feel like I'm cutting off too much hair, but it's like I can't really help it. Like, this is how much I have already. Whew. Woo! Okay, so my camera is about to die, so I'm going to do the other half of my head just like I did this, and I will come back when all my hair is gone. I'm just playing. I charged my camera back up a bit. I charged my camera back up a bit because I just really wanted to show you guys. Whew. It's coming out very, very good. All right, we are on the last section. I feel a little comfortable enough to, no. I thought I was gonna do that whole section. Ain't gonna happen. Okay. I just feel it just start to get just raggedy, just straggly. I'm just going to boom, boom. Okay, get back focused on me. I feel like the more I go, the more comfortable I get, and the less hair I ultimately chop off. I feel like when I was first doing it, I was chopping off a lot of hair. So I'm really taking my time and working in smaller sections and just really trying to just really get those ends right here. And I feel as if this is enough. Maybe a lot for some people, but child, I'm ready. Okay. It just goes straight through. Oh my gosh. Okay. My hair just feels a lot better. Okay, so my camera did die. I'm not quite sure where I left off at, but I did just want to come back to you guys and show you guys my ends. Like, it feels so much better. And I also did want to show you guys how much hair this is, how much hair I cut off. I mean, I guess it's not that much, but I guess it is a little bit. I mean, I don't know. But I did realize that I started to cut less hair off as I, was doing it. I guess I was just getting a little bit better as I was going throughout my whole head. Like I said, this is my first time clipping my ends, so I was, a little nervous. But that is all for today's video. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you have clipped your ends before, and make sure you guys comment down below any tips you guys may have for me for the next time I have to clip my ends. I don't even know if I'm going to do it myself or if I'm going to go to the shop, but we shall see. And make sure you guys follow me on social media to become part of the Major Gang. And yeah, we'll see y'all in the next one.
Astro.